Hello, today we're going to be going over the steps for how to create a Canon Scan to SMB address book entry. Open an internet browser, type the IP address of the copier into the address bar, and press enter. In order to enter a new address book entry, you will need to log in as the administrator. If you do not have the administrator password, please contact the Dex Imaging Help Desk or your internal IT to continue. Select Address Book, scroll down, then Address List One Touch. Before proceeding, you will need the information below: the host name or IP address of the PC where the folder is located, the shared folder's name, then finally a username and password that has admin rights to the PC. If you do not have any of the information that was listed in the previous screen, you will need to contact the Dex Imaging Help Desk or your internal IT before you can create the SMB entry. Click the link next to an available number, then the drop-down next to Type, File, Set. Enter the name of the user under Name, then use the same information for the One Touch button name. Enter the folder path using the host name of the computer or IP address / the folder name. Next, click Settings, enter the admin username. Make sure not to check the box next to confirm before sending, then the password, and again to confirm it. After entering the login information, you will click OK to complete the entry. Since nothing was entered, the OK button was not clicked. Before clicking Log Out, make sure to test the new address book entry at the copier, and if it fails, verify the information and try again. This concludes the tutorial for how to create a Canon Scan to SMB address book entry. Thank you for choosing Dex Imaging, and please subscribe to our channel.